Hi, I'm Paula Vincent Johnson, a Louisiana civil law notary. I help individuals, couples, family caregivers, and business owners get their essential estate planning documents in order. Today, however, I thought I'd give you a little bit of lagniappe. So I am not going to talk about powers of attorney, wills, small successions, and real estate transfers. I am going to answer a common question about how to request a duplicate title when you've lost the original. Keep in mind that the procedure I'm about to explain is regarding vehicles registered in Louisiana. If your vehicle is registered in another state, the process may be slightly different. So first, is there a lien on the title? If there is no lien, for instance, if you purchase the vehicle with cash, you can simply request a duplicate from the Office of Motor Vehicles by submitting a notarized request for duplicate title along with the state fees. You can also go to an auto title company where they can take care of everything for you. However, if you initially financed the vehicle, the lien may still show up even if you've paid off the loan, in which case you would need a lien release from the lender. When a loan is paid off, the lender sends you a letter along with the original title. Remember getting that? You may see something like this on the front of your title, a spot that says First Lien Released, which has been signed by the lender. The letter also serves as a release and says something like, "Thank you for paying off your loan," attaches your original title. If you'd like, you can submit this title to the Office of Motor Vehicles to get a new clean title. However, in actuality, most of us don't request a clean title. We just take those documents and stick them in a drawer until we're ready to sell or donate the vehicle. This usually is not a problem until we can't find them. The issue is the lender does not notify the OMV that you finished paying off the vehicle. You must do that yourself by submitting the original title to the OMV to have the lien removed. If you lost the title and the letter before you remove the lien, you will have to contact the lender to get a new lien release. Now, most lenders will mail or even email you a lien release within a few hours or a few days. Once you get that lien release, mail it to the OMV along with the notarized request for duplicate title and the appropriate fees, which you can get from the OMV website, expresslane.org. Currently, the OMV is operating by appointment only in certain areas in the state, but you can go online to schedule an appointment, or it really might be quicker and easier to go to an auto title company where they handle everything for you all in one place. I hope this information helps you and that you enjoyed this lagniappe. Remember, my lobby is closed. However, I am still working with clients regarding powers of attorney, wills, small successions, and real estate transfers. You can visit my website to get more information about that and to schedule a telephone consultation with me. But before you go, like this video, subscribe, and click the bell. And follow me on Facebook and Twitter, where I give quick answers to your quick questions. When you connect with me, I promise you'll learn something. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. I'm Paula Vincent Johnson. Come back to see me next week.